What's up guys, John from TechSpace, and do I have a special one for you today. I have the 4S Mojave and the 6S Mojave going to battle it out at this beautiful, are you ready for this? Take a look at this. Abandoned construction area, guys. How fantastic is this? And as you can see, right there somewhere is the full send TechSpace ramp as well. Now I cannot wait to show you guys what these two Mojaves are going to do. So it is going to be a damn dirty video. But hey, who doesn't like a damn dirty video, eh? So we are going to be running the Arrma 4S Mojave on a 7200 milliamp hour Leopard power battery with a 40C discharge rate. And then we're going to run the Mojave 6S on two 3S packs, both from Leopard power, and as you can see it's 5000 milliamp hour each with the 50C discharge rate. So which one do you guys think we should do first? I agree with you, let's do the 4S Mojave first. So appreciate how clean this chassis is at the moment, because soon it's going to be a total different story. Let's hear it start up. Let's blast. All right, so let's give this one a rip, guys. All right. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I love this thing, guys. What a car. Whoa! Jeez. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! What a jump! Oh! Wow! Oh, Arrma Mojave! Oh! 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 Whoa! Oh! Alright guys, that's it for the Mojave 4S. It's flat. What a incredible basher it is. Wow. So damage report on the 4S Mojave. As you can see, the body split on this side and on that side. So it's not great, but I mean, the way I've bashed it, that was bound to happen. So I was really giving it all the beans, all the sticks. But I'm quite surprised to see how awesome the mud flaps are looking still, guys. I think it looks aesthetically really pleasing on the vehicle. Fantastic, guys. I love this thing. So it's just going to cost me a new body, but epic times. And there is the Mojave chassis after the bash. The 4S. Look at it. Right, so it's time for the 6S. Oh yes. Luckily for the 6S, I've got a dust cover. The 6S, the beast, the big boy. Let's see what we can do with this. We just quickly set up the cameras for the jumps. Yeah. Oh, who doesn't love a little bit of a 6S Mojave, eh? Alright, ramp time. Whoa. Almost overcooked it there. Oh, whoa. Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh! The plan is to take the Mojave full speed onto the full send ramp and then sending it all over down this hill onto the bottom there. Can't wait to see what's going to happen. I hope my Mojave is not going to be busted. It's probably going to be. As you can see, it's really high down there. This should be awesome. Yeah! Wow, and the Mojave is still going. Can you believe that? All right, just gonna bring it back up here quickly. I'm gonna have to stand behind the car as it's just too difficult to get it lined up properly. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I missed it again. And the Mojave still goes. Oh, guys, the battery is flat. Oh, what an annoyance. I am so disappointed that we couldn't get the Arrma Mojave straight lined up with the ramp and jumped it down there perfectly. But that might be a video for the future, guys. So stick around, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the upload of that video. So, damage assessment of the Mojave. So, it looks like we've got a severely dented body and we've definitely got a tire. It looks like the tire came unmounted there, guys, but that's an easy fix just with a little bit of glue. But I don't see any other serious issues with it. Let's quickly open up the chassis. Right, so I don't see any real issues. Oh, it looks like this bent forward, that's for sure. Oh, I see there's a couple of breakages, it looks like. Oh yeah, do you see that, guys? The entire rear shock tower bent forward. Let's look at the chassis. Incredible that the chassis is still 100% straight. But there you can clearly see the rear shock tower has bent forward, guys. So that is going to be a new shock tower for it then. I absolutely love the Arrma Mojave 6S. It's an absolute tank. So guys, that was a crazy bash session. As you saw, they really took a massive punishment. And both of the Mojave's bodies took an absolute beating. I did, unfortunately, bend the rear shock tower with the big rams I tried to take down into the valley. But I mean, it is what it is. It was inevitable that I'm going to have some damage, guys. I knew that from the start, but I just wanted to give you guys a nice, entertaining video. Unfortunately, I just couldn't get the ramp lined up with the car and send it all the way down into the valley. But we will definitely revisit it in a future video. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And also, if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Jondre from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.